Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Java program, and the problem is that to find out all the permutations of a given string using recursion. Okay, so here I am using a recursive function and find out all the combinations for a given string. Suppose we take a string 1, 2, 3. So there have 6 combinations are there, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so today I will just write the code in Java to find out the combinations, means the permutations of a given string using recursion. And here I am using Eclipse IDE to write the code in Java. Okay, so go to the computer screen. So hello friends, now we are just within the Eclipse IDE. Now today I will solve another Java program, and the problem is that to find out all the permutation of a given string in Java using recursion. What is the permutation? Permutation means if we take any string and what are the arrangement, what are the different arrangement of that, or what are the different combinations of that. For example, suppose we take a particular string 1, 2, 3. So lots of combinations are there, like 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2. In that way we get for 1, 2, 3, for the 3 different character we get 6 combinations. Okay, so today's program is that we take a, means for a given string we just find out the permutations as a result, means what are the different permutations for a given string is concerned. Okay, here already I am create the source code file name string permutations.java. okay, so that's why at first we write our class name public class and just write string permutations. Okay, and within that class we should write our logic to find out the permutations of string in Java. Okay, here I am using 3 different methods. One is our common method, public static void main, and another 2 methods, both name are the same, permutation. One contain only a single argument and another contain 2 different arguments, and also one is a public static void permutation, another is a private static void permutation. Okay, so at first we write the public static void permutation. Okay, so just write public static void permutation and send as argument, single argument, string input. Okay, now within that we write the logic. We just call permutation method and send as argument double quote open close comma and just write input. Okay, so this is our first method. What? It is a public static void permutation. Okay, and now I just write the second method, private static void permutation, and send here 2 argument. One is string perm and another is string word. Okay, now we just write the logic here. So at first we check if word dot is empty. Okay, then we just print system dot error dot print ln and just write what? perm plus what, means we just concatenate and just print it there. Else. Okay, now what? We just use a for loop, just write for int I equal to 0 semicolon I less than word dot length method semicolon I plus plus. Okay, and again open braces open and close and just call permutation method, and at first we send perm plus word dot char at and just send as argument I. Okay, then put comma, then again send another argument word dot substring and send as argument 0 comma I. Okay, then again concatenate plus word dot substring and send as argument I plus 1 comma, and then send as argument another argument what dot length method, okay, and then put the semicolon here. Okay, this is the end of for, this is the end of else, and this is the end of our second method, permutation. And now we just write our common method, which is public static void main, and send as argument string args. Okay, and now here we just call the permutation method permutation and just send the string 1 2 3 whatever I'm said at first. Okay, and then put a semicolon. Okay, now what happened, we just run this code, just check there is any error or not. So just run string permutation class and just press OK. Okay, there is no error. Just see the combinations are given, means the permutation is given for the 1 2 3 is concerned 1 2 3 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 2 1 etc. But now if we change some, suppose we put some string, suppose we write here dog, dog. Okay, and now I can run. So just see the lots of permutations are given for this string dog. So also for the 3 character, lots of combinations are there, at about 6 combinations are there. So dog, dgo, odg, ogd, gdo, god. So these are the different combinations are there. So this is the program where this Java code find out the permutations of string in Java using recursion. Okay, means recursion is going on into there, and through this recursion we find out the permutations of a given string in Java. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt, just write into the comment section of this video. I will try to solve your problem. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Thank you and bye bye.